windy little piece of German countryside road, road called the Cuckoo Clocks. Nice load, good man. Rain has stopped at long last. I actually haven't been on this road in a long time, so as I do say, nice to get off the motorway for a change of scenery. This road also coming up from Singen up to Stuttgart, it cuts Stuttgart off the journey. It's not really shorter, but Stuttgart can be very heavy traffic, and there's also a black spot area there called Pforzheim or Pforzheim or whatever, and it's just easier to avoid it. And again, nice bit of scenery, so makes a change from being stuck in a stau. Again, this road being called the Cuckoo Clocks Road. I don't know what the connection is, obviously something to do with cuckoo clocks, but there is a few places on it where there is cuckoo clocks actually on the sides of houses and all, so I'm just hoping to catch one or two of them there. I think for the big one you need to be coming the other way. I'm not sure, but anyway, we'll see. I think this is the area of it anyway. Again, as I said, it's been a while since I've been on this road, so yeah, I think this is the area, because I think it's Triberg, and that's the Triberg we're coming into here now, so oh yeah, good girl, abandon it. One of the Cuckoo clock houses there on the left, but there is one here somewhere called the House of 1,000 Clocks, or the House of 1,000 Watches, one or the other. The catch is actually back on my right, so that knackers that anyway, so there is another one down further, but I don't know if you'll get a good look at it, but we'll see. We'll try. Lots of road works on this road, and exhaust, the retarder's working reasonably hard there. We're reasonably heavier than usual. Hope that comes out on the comes out on the camera now. I didn't get to see because the camera's blank when it's been recording for a while, so hopefully, if not, anyway, whatever. I'm babbling. Anyway, that's probably enough of that, because I don't know how long the camera's been running, and I'm not really gone on long clips because I don't want to be boring anybody, so like I said, all I ever want to do is just show off a little bit of scenery, nothing else. It's not about making diaries or trips or anything, just again, just showing off the scenery. So, anything interesting along the way, we'll throw the camera back on there.